Hi everyone. So this video will cover your 2-2 short answer assignment on ethical concerns. So after you complete your quiz, you will move on to the first assignment for the week, which is this short answer assignment on ethical concerns. So here's the prompt right from your assignment guidelines and rubric, and we're going to talk about this a little bit and break it down. So your prompt for this is as follows. Respond to the following short answer prompt. Imagine you are a lead social science researcher and are responsible for approving students' proposed research studies. Review the 3 sample proposals below and provide brief feedback to summarize any ethical concerns you have related to each of these proposals based on what you know about ethical code and expectations in the social sciences. So essentially, you are looking for the details within these proposals that make them unethical. That is what you're going to be writing about. Now, it is important to note that each of these proposals contains things that are unethical. None of these proposals are ethical and none of these should be approved. Your task is to find and discuss what ethical concerns each of these studies has, and you're going to be writing about what those concerns are. So here you see each of these 3 proposals. Make sure that in your response you are discussing all 3 of these proposals as the assignment requires. You are not choosing one to discuss, you are going to have to discuss all 3 of these proposals. Now in the announcement, I do have this example, and your goal is to do just this. Name the ethical concern that you see. And again, you're doing this for all 3 of these proposals. In the week 2 overview video that you watched on Monday, I gave you some great information about things that would violate ethics. Here's a reminder of a few things that would violate ethics. Now, the goal of this assignment is to see if you understand what is considered ethical and what is not within the realm of social sciences. Now, if you have any questions as you work on this or any of your other assignments for the week, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help you and discuss this with you. Thank you for watching.